Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2013 question 11. This is a pole against a vertical wall problem. We will use Pythagoras' theorem and trigonometric ratios. Note, we treat the pole length as 25 meter-centimeters. This matches the other measurements in meters. A pole, 25 meters long, is placed against a vertical wall. Its lower end is 7 meters from the foot of the wall. The upper end of the pole is pushed down by 2 meters. We must calculate how much further away from the wall the lower end moves, and the angle the pole now makes with the horizontal. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. In the original position, triangle ABC is right-angled at C. The pole is the hypotenuse, so AB equals 25 meters. The lower end is 7 meters from the wall, so AC equals 7 meters. We first need to find BC, the original height reached by the top of the pole. From triangle ABC, we use Pythagoras' theorem. So the original height reached by the top of the pole is 24 meters. The upper end of the pole is pushed down by 2 meters. That means the new top point, E, is 2 meters below the original top point, B. So the new vertical height, EC, is the original height minus 2 meters. Therefore, the new height is 22 meters. In the new position, triangle CDE is also right-angled. The pole length has not changed, so ED equals 25 meters. The new vertical height is EC equals 22 meters. We now find CD, the new distance from the wall to the lower end of the pole. From triangle CDE, use Pythagoras' theorem again. So the new distance from the wall is 11.87 meters. Original distance from wall equals 7 meter-centimeters. New distance from wall equals 11.87 meter-centimeters. The question does not ask for the new distance from the wall. It asks how much further away the lower end moves. So we subtract the original distance from the new distance. The lower end moves 4.87 meters further away from the wall. Correct to two significant figures, this is 4.9 meters. Further distance equals CDAC. So this simplifies to equals 11.87 meters-centimeters 7. So this simplifies to equals 4.87 meters-centimeters. .87 meters-centimeters, 4.9 meters-centimeters. To two significant figures. Therefore, the lower end moves 4.9 meters further away from the wall. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we find the angle the pole now makes with the horizontal. This is the angle theta at the lower end D. In triangle CDE, the side opposite, theta, is EC equals 22, and the hypotenuse is the pole, ED equals 25. Since we know the opposite side and the hypotenuse, we use sine. Substitute EC equals 22 and ED equals 25. Sin of theta equals 22 over 25. Sin of theta equals 0.88. Theta equals sin of to the power of minus 1, 0.88. Theta equals 61.64 degrees. (61.64 degrees, 62 degrees). To two significant figures. Therefore, the pole now makes an angle of 62 degrees with the horizontal. Original position. This equation is the next step in the calculation. Substitute the known side lengths. 25 squared equals BC squared plus 7 squared. Substitute the known side lengths. BC squared equals 25 squared minus 7 squared. This gives BC squared equals 625 meters setercinus 49. This gives BC squared equals 576. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. To summarize, EC equals 24 minus 2 EC equals 22 meters new distance from wall. The key equations are shown on the screen. Substitute the known side lengths. 25 squared equals 22 squared plus CD squared. Substitute the known side lengths. CD squared equals 25 squared minus 22 squared. This gives CD squared equals 625 meters setercinus 484. This gives CD squared equals 141. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. To summarize, CDAC equals 11.8, 7 minus 7 equals 4.87 meters, 4.9 meters angle with horizontal. The key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, the key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, the original height reached by the pole is 24 meters. After the upper end is pushed down by 2 meters, the new height is 22 meters. The new distance of the lower end from the wall is 11.87 meters. So the lower end moves 4.9 meters further away from the wall. The angle the pole now makes with the horizontal is 62 degrees. These are the final answers. This framed result is the final answer for the question. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.